Hi, welcome to the Vibe On-Prem video series. We're talking about forms and workflows, specifically forms in this video, and we're going to be talking about a format element called the box. So in the form, I'm going to add an element, and it's going to be a layout option box. Now the box becomes very, very important for people creating forms in Vibe. Now you'll notice that we have all of these elements. Select box, radio button, number, HTML editor, user list, date and time, checkbox. These have all been added after we created a new default form. Now because we added them, when you add an element to the form, it drops it to the very bottom of the form, and so in the preview you can see our default elements are all right here: title, text, description, attachments, and our buttons. Then we have all of our extra stuff that we've created since down below it, and it looks really, really messy. And another thing to note is that if we want to move them, like select box, we have to do it one at a time. So what I'm going to do is I've created this box, and I'm going to start moving these elements into the box. So when it says click the new location for your item, I'm going to click on the box and say move into the selected item. Now our box has select box as a sub-item. I'm going to do the same for radio button. Select box, move into the selected item, and select OK. I'll show this one more time with the checkbox. I'll select the checkbox, I'll select move, select the box element, and click move into the selected item, and select OK. What this does for us, really this is the way to start a form. Create some boxes that you can move around, and those boxes are going to be groups of elements in your form. What this does for you is it makes it easier to rearrange the elements when you want to change things around in your form. Now, if I want to remove all of these items, for example above the form buttons, now I can select box, select move, and we're going to put it right below the description, and I'll select OK. In the next video you'll notice I've put all of the elements inside the box, but what this does for us is it helps us to keep organized and keep things where we want them in the form.